Kokahakusaki Umatsuri 2024. You can see a lot of stalls here selling different kinds of Japanese food and snacks. Join me guys, like this. Here's the yakitori. Nakakagutom naman talaga. Kaya lang ang mahal nila ha, 600 yen per steak. This is the category, yung sa atin na snowballs. Ayan o. Kasi nga ang init ngayon dito. Ito na lang ang last part of the summer season here in Japan. Kaya sila may festival or feast or ano ba? Umatsuri. Ayan din mga fruits juices. Ganyan. If you want to drink cold fruit juices, there is. Oh my God, cucumber. Ano yan? Hindi ko alam anong ginawa nila sa cucumber. Yung mga grilled fish. At pag ganitong may umatsuri dito sa Japan, most of young peoples are wearing summer kimono or we call it yukata. At ito naman ang yakisoba or pansit. Ayan. Ang galing na eh. Nilagyan niya ng topping na egg. Masarap kaya yan. Stall ng mga toys kasi may mga kids din kasi dito kahit gabi na. And here naman they're selling the omesoba or omelette with yakisoba. Category or snowballs na may flavor ng mga fruits or mango, strawberry, and others like melon. Rashay. Ito naman guys, ang the longest potato route. They call it tornado potato. The longest potato route here in Japan. I don't know. kawaii desu. Ang cute nila pag ka lang nakatumono. They're also selling goldfish for kids. Ito naman ang mga bottled drinks. Ay, meron silang cheese hotdog. Sarap yan. Gusto ko yan, bilhin na ako. I'll buy this one. Hey, Mr. Moonlight, come join us here. And here is the fruits ame or fruits candy. Naman mga tamadachi ay konomiyaki with beef on top. Hindi na ako nakakita ng ganito. Masarap kaya to? Hindi kasi ako nakain ng okonomiyaki. But I don't know kung masarap siya pag may beef on as topping. And here they're making castera or castera bread. Kasi may mga table doon. This is a Turkish man selling ice cream. Bingo game? Is this a bingo game? Ba't parang pinball yung machine? This is an orange drink store. Mikan, there, Mikan. Masay, ikagadisyo ka. Most of the stalls here are selling yakitori. These are Wagyu yakitori. Even Mr. Moonlight seems enjoying. Ah, yan din gusto ko. Gusto ko rin yan, soft cream. I prefer the cold. Oh, wait. If cold, it will drop soon, it will melt. It's okay, I'll take that. This is also a Turkish man playing pool with the kids. There are also games like in amusement park. Okay, time to say bye-bye now.